Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV shower heads on Amazon. RV shower heads optimize water usage and comfort, delivering a refreshing bathing experience in the limited space of your recreational vehicle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Marbras High Pressure Shower Head. The Marbras shower head is a popular RV shower head replacement for several reasons. An excellent example would be its convenient construction made from ABS and chrome-plated materials. I reckon such a structure makes this shower head much more lightweight and durable than most other handheld ones I have used. I was also pleased with this product's installation process. Buyers shouldn't need any help doing it themselves, as setting it up doesn't require tools. Honestly, it's hard to find another shower head that is easier to install than this one. I like its performance quality. Marbras took their time in creating a high-pressure RV shower head, which lives up to the name. It was designed with micro-technology that ensures a high-quality spray and water pressure. It even comes with 3 adjustable spray settings to increase its user-friendliness. Each user will choose between a water saver mode, power massage mode, or mixed mode. I always went with the water saver option. Number 2. Camco RV Shower Head with Switch. Now, before we fully dive into this product, you must realize that the reason the price is so low is that it doesn't come with a hose. So, if you're looking for the complete package, you should look at one of the other products on this list. But in terms of the actual shower head, you can't get much better than the Camco RV shower head with an on-off switch. And as you can tell from the name, it comes with an on-off switch. This on-off switch works great as a way to ensure your water usage never gets out of control. It also has rubber spray tips that make the shower head incredibly easy to clean. Number 3. Durafaucet RV Shower Head and Hose. This Durafaucet shower and hose continues where the first one left off. In other words, it comes with high quality. For instance, this shower head contains a flow control valve switch that makes it so much easier to conserve water while you're showering. It also has a control grip, so the switch is easy to access even in the wet environment of the shower. Likewise, Durafaucet continues to earn its impeccable reputation with the inclusion of all the necessary items you need for installation. And from the customer reviews, I get the sense this install is one of the easier ones. So, if you have any worries about installing one of these by yourself, this model should ease those concerns with their in-depth manual and inclusion of all the necessary supplies. And I haven't even got to the best part yet. The material the hose and shower head are made of is incredibly durable. If you buy this product, you should expect to have it in your life for quite some time. Number 4. Camco 43713 Chrome Shower Head Kit. Camco is back with another fantastic shower head that would make any RV owner an incredibly happy customer. As you'd expect from a Camco product, this model has the all-too-important on-off switch. Now, there's no reason to discuss this feature further as it's well covered in the other reviews. However, given its magnitude, it's still a must-mention when talking about any Camco product. Otherwise, there are a couple of things that make this particular Camco product a little different than the others. For instance, it comes in a chrome color that looks much more luxurious than the other 2 Camco shower heads. Number 5. Camco 43714 Shower Head Kit. This shower head will help you to reduce your water usage. Honestly, you'd be surprised how much water gets wasted because an RV owner let their shower drip and drip. This feature also allows you to stop the water flow anytime during the actual shower, such as when you are using the soap. Again, reducing your water usage in the process. Furthermore, this shower head has that always convenient 60-inch hose, which is just essential for any RV shower head. Additionally, it has 5 different settings that allow you to control the shower experience. And these settings range from drenching rain to gentle massage, so you shouldn't have any issue finding the perfect one for you. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.